Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make iced green tea at home. First, selecting the right tea is crucial for a delicious drink. You'll want to choose high-quality green tea leaves, as this forms the foundation of your beverage. Next, we'll discuss the ideal water temperature and steeping time to ensure your tea is perfectly brewed, avoiding any bitterness. Finally, we'll cover the best methods for chilling and serving your refreshing iced green tea. Achieving the perfect brew starts with precise measurements. For every 8 ounces of water, use about 1 teaspoon of your chosen green tea leaves. The water temperature is key. Aim for around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, never boiling, to protect the tea's delicate flavor. Steep for just 1 to 3 minutes, then promptly strain the leaves. This prevents over-extraction and ensures a smooth, refreshing taste. Once brewed, it's time to chill your tea. The fastest way is to pour the hot tea directly over a large quantity of ice. This rapid cooling locks in the fresh flavor. If you prefer, you can let it cool naturally before refrigerating. For a touch of sweetness, stir in honey or agave nectar while the tea is still warm. Fresh lemon or mint can also add a delightful, bright finish. Your delicious homemade iced green tea is now ready to enjoy. Serve it over plenty of fresh ice for maximum refreshment. A simple garnish, like a lemon wedge or a sprig of mint, adds a lovely touch. If you have any left over, store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain its freshness. Don't hesitate to experiment with various green tea types to find your favorite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.